overall effect of a force depends on its magnitude and the area over which it acts. And to relate these two factors, we introduced a quantity and named it as pressure. The force that acts perpendicular to the surface of an object is called thrust. Thrust acting on a unit area of a surface is called pressure. Mathematically, you can write pressure is equal to thrust divided by surface area over which it acts. This surface area over which the force acts can also be called as contact area. Now, see, in case of solids, the force can be applied in any direction with respect to the surface. But in case of fluids, the substances which can flow are called fluids. That means all the liquids and gases are known as fluids. So in case of fluids, that is liquids or gases at rest, the force must be applied at right angles to the liquid surface. And that is why? Because fluids at rest, they cannot sustain a tangential force. Tangent is a straight line that touches a circle only at one point. Now it follows that the pressure due to a given force would vary according to the area over which the force is acting. When you were standing on the sand and when you were lying down on the sand, दोनों cases में आपका weight, your weight was the force which was acting on the sand, but still the pressure exerted on the sand was more when you were standing. Why? Because the contact area was less. When you lied down, then the contact area was more and so the pressure was less. We can increase or decrease pressure without changing the force, just by changing the surface area over which the force acts. And pressure always acts normal to the surface and it is always compressive in nature. So we just need only its magnitude for its complete description. We just need the magnitude, that is numerical value unit. Now there is an activity given in your book you can do at home. See, take some molding clay. Clay को आप क्या कीजिए? You spread it on a wooden surface or on the desk, table at your home, and then place a wooden block on the surface of the molding clay. आप एक क्यूबॉइड शेप का वुडन ब्लॉक लीजिए, वो इस सरफेस पे पहले लेंथ वाइज रखिए और फिर उसके ऊपर एक बुक रखिए. रिमूव द वुडन ब्लॉक और बुक को हटा दीजिए and then measure the depression produced in the molding clay with the help of a scale. कितना ज़्यादा depression हुआ उस molding clay में, यानी कितना धंसा था. Note that with the help of a scale and then repeat the same steps keeping the wooden block breadth wise, that is thickness wise. फिर आप height wise भी कर सकते हैं. You will see that in all the three cases, same force is acting on the clay, but the effect produced is different. तीनों केस में आपको अलग अलग observation मिलेगा depression का. Why? Because the different contact area is there in the three cases. And so we realize that for a given applied force, when the contact area is less, the pressure is more. Okay, thank you.